Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from StorageWorks. It is going to be a recycle kind of bin, but it looks like it's going to have some assembly required. So we're going to have to figure this out here. So we have lots of different pieces and parts here. It looks like we're going all the way up to like H and K and L here. And edit well, work. So keep working. Yeah. Okay, so here we have it. You saw that. This whole video is like 7 or 8 minutes, so it totally fits in there. You can see it just totally fits up here. You can clip these little pieces here into the corners here to hold it in place, but it has an inner lining. So once you fill that up, you can just take that out, and then you have your recycle bin, which is really nice. So I'm gonna keep that in this office here, so then when I'm going through my stuff and I have things that are recyclable, like these boxes, I'll just put them in there, and then my other stuff will go in there. But you could even have it like this here, where you have cans and bottles and stuff that just go in it like that. So totally cool. Nice to have a recycle bin. So now I have it. Thumbs up.